We are in the heart of Arlington Forest, and this house behind me, it's a brand new construction by Classic Cottages, and it's dear to my heart. Let me tell you the story, so come with me. The house has a total of 3,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms. Again, like any other construction from Classic Cottages, has great attention to detail. The ceilings on the main level and the top level are 9-foot tall ceilings. And this house is 99% done. There's a couple of things here and there that need to be addressed. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the neighborhoods. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video. By the way, if you're relocating from another state to Northern Virginia or inside of Northern Virginia, don't hesitate, give us a call or send us a text message. Maybe you just have a simple question, or maybe you want us to show you around some houses. So let's go to the second level. So on the top floor, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Let's start with the secondary bedrooms. Needless to say, you have huge windows and a lot of storage space. So the natural light in the house is great. So the house was commissioned in August of 2023. Permits were pulled and the house was ready to be constructed on end of December. So there was an existing house here that was torn down in January, and the house is gonna be 100% done by July 7th. So this would be your laundry room. And now we're gonna go really quick here into the linen closet. Let's go into the primary bedroom. And this would be her closet. Primary bedroom with plenty of light. And this
These would be the primary bathrooms. And at the end of the bathroom, it's a secondary big closet.
So this house is already sold, but if you want a private tour of any other house, please don't hesitate. Send me a text message with the word tour and we'll schedule it for you. Now we're gonna go to the basement, but before we do that, I would love to hear what you think about the house. So go into the comment section and let me know.
Once you get into the basement, you're gonna have a fitness room. Already the rubber floor. And every room has an Ethernet connection, and every floor has a wired connection for the access points for wireless connections. These could be a theater room, or a music room with a wet bar, a suite, which I know the owners, they're gonna use this as a secondary office. And also you have a big closet space here. I love showing the mechanical room because it's the heart of the house for maintenance. This house has a tankless water heater. Like I said, all the Ethernet connections come down here, and you have 2 HVACs.
Thank you very much for touring the house with us. My name is Miguel and this is your channel Living in Arlington Today. We post videos every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you next week.